The truth is, becoming a developer is nothing like what you see on YouTube. Nothing like what schools teach, and definitely nothing like those learn to code in 30 days ads. Nobody tells you this, nobody prepares you for the reality. Most beginners enter this world with hope, but no one tells them what really happens behind the scenes. So in this video, I'm going to tell you everything. The good, the bad, the confusing, the frustrating. The stuff most people hide, and the stuff you need to hear if you really want to become a developer. Because once you understand the truth, you become unstoppable. No one tells you this, but in the beginning, you will feel lost, not because you're stupid, not because you're failing, but because learning to code is like learning a new language. Imagine trying to read a sentence in a language you don't speak. You stare at the words, and nothing makes sense. That's coding at the start. You read tutorials, you watch videos. You type code that you don't really understand. And that's normal. Feeling lost is not a sign to stop. It's a sign that you're learning. This part hurts, but it's reality. You will feel slow, painfully slow. You'll watch other people build things faster than you. You'll see someone finish a project in 1 week, while you're still trying to fix one bug. But here's what nobody tells you. Slow is normal. Slow is progress. Slow is how every great developer started. Speed comes after confusion. Clarity comes after frustration. Confidence comes after consistency. Here's something nobody warns you about. Tutorials can become a trap. At first, they help, they guide you, they give you structure. But if you watch too many, too fast, you start copying instead of learning. You feel productive, but you're not moving forward. You're stuck in tutorial land. The truth is, you don't grow by watching, you grow by building, by breaking things, by debugging what doesn't work, by solving problems that tutorials don't show. That's the real learning. Nobody talks about this enough. Even when you learn a lot, even when you build projects, even when you start applying for jobs, you will feel like a fraud. You will think you're not good enough. You will think you don't know enough. You will think people will find out you're not a real developer. That feeling, it's called imposter syndrome. And it hits everyone. Junior developers feel it. Mid-level developers feel it. Senior developers feel it. Imposter syndrome doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're leveling up. And here comes the biggest truth. At some point, you will want to quit. You'll hit a wall. You'll feel stuck. You'll wonder why nothing is clicking. And your brain will whisper, coding isn't for you. You're not smart enough. Just give up. But that moment, that exact moment, is where developers are made. People think the biggest challenge is learning syntax. It's not. The biggest challenge is not quitting. There's something nobody tells beginners. You don't need talent. You don't need to be naturally gifted. You don't need to have a perfect mind. You need consistency. Consistency is what turns confusion into clarity. Consistency is what turns fear into confidence. Consistency is what gets you hired. 20 minutes a day beats 5 hours once a month. Small steps beat huge leaps. Slow progress beats no progress. Another truth nobody tells you. You don't need to learn everything. Most beginners think they need every framework, every library, every design pattern, every language. But no employer expects that. In reality, you need solid fundamentals, one main language, one framework, and 3 real projects. That's it. Everything else you can learn on the job. No one prepares you for this part. The job search is hard. Emotionally hard, mentally hard. You will send applications and get no replies. You will get rejected for jobs you thought you could do. You will doubt yourself more than ever. But here's what nobody tells you. The job search is a skill. Just like coding. And the more you do it, the better you get. You only need one yes, one opportunity, one company that believes in you. Here's the truth people don't tell you enough. It's worth it. Every frustrating bug. Every late night struggle. Every moment of doubt. Because one day, you'll look at the screen and realize, I built this. I understand this. I'm a developer now. And that feeling. It's priceless. So here's the real secret nobody tells you. Becoming a developer isn't about being the smartest. It's not about memorizing everything. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up. It's about pushing through frustration. It's about not quitting when it gets hard. It's about trusting the process if you stay consistent. If you keep learning, if you keep building, if you don't give up, you will become a developer. You will get a job. You will change your life. The truth is, you're closer than you think. Start today. And don't stop, because future you will look back at this moment and say, this was the moment that changed everything. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that subscribe button.